Hey, who else wants to know how to use the four corners of the earth to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Love this expression. It, of course, first appeared in the New Testament, back in the New Testament, and back when people believed that the world was flat. So the farthest out you could reach, and the farthest people could be attracted from is the edges of the map, the four corners of the world or the universe. Of course, this saying means to attract people or to reach all parts of a place from all over the planet. Now, how can you apply this? How can you use this to grow and build your business? Well, in a couple of ways. Number one, it reminds us, this saying reminds us that as we change our beliefs, as we learn more, as we know more, we can make better choices, better and different decisions. The impossible can become possible with technology and science and discoveries happening every day. What once was thought to be absolutely science fiction impossible is now everyday expected. You know, there's so many examples of this. Self-driving cars, almost everything that exists, everything that does exist nowadays, most people could not even have imagined 50 years ago, much less 100 years ago, or when the Bible, the New Testament, was written. So how can you use this to grow and build your business? The impossible, the internet, because of the internet, because of the World Wide Web, we have become, it's now possible to reach people all over the world, all over the globe. I don't even know how many countries have access to the internet now, but it's well over, it's like 140 or something, and it could be more. But you can reach almost anyone on the planet now because of the internet, because of online technologies and capabilities. Just with the click of a button or the search on one of the search engines, you can get the answer to almost anything, and you can reach almost anyone. We used to feel like we were the only person, especially when you're an entrepreneur. Sometimes when you're building your business, it feels like a lonely task. You feel like you're doing it all on your own. And we feel that way about a lot of things in our lives and in our businesses. But the truth is, nowadays, with the internet, we can reach the people that we're here to serve, that we're here to reach, again, so easily. We can attract them to us, and we don't need to find everybody. There are 8 billion people on the planet. How many of them do you think you honestly need in your business to create whatever you want, the goals and objectives, the size business that you want? Not that many. I'm not sure if you've heard about it or not. There's an article called 1,000 True Fans. I recommend you look it up. Just Google it and read that and understand that the power that you have, the ability you have to change the world and to grow your business doesn't require millions of people. With 1,000 or a few thousand people that love and appreciate what you're doing and value it. And it's not that hard to serve and give tremendous value to 1,000 people. It's pretty hard to serve 1,000,000 people and give them tremendous value, but it's not that hard to serve 1,000 or a couple of thousand people and to provide them solutions to their problems and to give them tremendous experiences in customer service and to help them get whatever it is that they want. And it's easier than ever to find those people all over the planet or the four corners of the earth using technology and the internet. So would love to know how you use the four corners of the earth philosophy in your business. Are you using it to find and attract the people that you want to attract to your business? Or are you using it to attract everyone? Or are you using it to reach everyone? Because there are businesses that do want to reach everyone, that do want to, think Apple. And they really don't want to reach everyone, by the way. Or Amazon. They want to reach the people that they can serve. Anyway, that is my rant for today about the four corners of the earth. Thank goodness, as we learn more and know more and become better, we can do better in our personal lives as well as in our businesses. Have an amazing day. If I can help you in any way, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another idiom, what it means, where it came from, and how it might be important to you growing and building your business, because that's what we're here for. Have an awesome day, hopefully to change the world and make it a better place as well. Have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow.